Hi, everyone. Welcome to Assessing Educational Pathways for Manufacturing in Rural Communities, an investigation of new and existing programs in Northwest Florida. My name is Marcia Martis, and I'm presenting this poster on behalf of myself and my co-PI in this project, Dr. Faye Jones. And we're really pleased that you're here today. We also are partnered with Chipola College, FLATE, and several two-year regional colleges in Northwest Florida. If we were together in a traditional poster session, I'd be talking you through a colorful poster like this. But instead, I'm going to talk you through our paper, which I highly encourage everyone to check out in the proceedings. So there's a need to conduct more research that connects community college students' perceptions of costs and benefits of obtaining their degree with various broader measures of engagement and success. Also, there's a great need to enhance dialogue between community college leaders and employers related to students' career pathways. Employers can help institutions with career pathways to ensure that students are being prepared for economically viable jobs, and can advise faculty and program administrators on issues of curriculum, as well as provide students with work-based learning and job shadowing opportunities to enhance their classroom learning. To ensure that engineering, technology, and AM programs, curricula, training, and potential economic development outcomes can be met, regional stakeholders want to ensure that programs stay in line with industry needs by gathering data and refining the school-to-work pathway. These data will also assist with interpreting the need for additional advanced manufacturing training programs or identifying the existing training available at partner college locations. The overarching goal of this project has been to improve rural manufacturing capacity by better understanding the relationship between Northwest Florida employees, and curriculum via the research questions on the slide. The data presented here were collected from regional community college partners whose primary emphasis is on two-year degrees and workforce certificates, in addition to limited bachelor's degrees in nursing, secondary education, and business. The missions of these state colleges are to support the needs of the local community and prepare students for workplace success. Preceding the results you'll see here today, we've engaged in a lot of work to bookend the data collection and analysis. For example, the research team conducted a comprehensive literature review in the areas of advanced manufacturing education, employment, entrepreneurship, and intrapreneurship. This literature review was also used to refine the research questions and ground the study findings. The research team also compiled relevant state, national, and professional AM competency standards, as well as prevailing industry certifications. These documents were the basis for an initial body of knowledge, or BOK, to be used in content and transcript analysis. The BOK is being refined as a result of the analysis performed in year 2 and year 3, and we're still in an analysis finalization and dissemination phase. The figure on the left illustrates the comparison between the top 20 verbs in the 2010 and 2020 Department of Labor, or DOL, Advanced Manufacturing Competency Models. We compared these models not only because the DOL updated the competencies right when we were analyzing the syllabi in the 2010 model, but also because our partner colleges' syllabi were written when the 2010 competency model was in effect. The blue bars indicate the top 20 verbs in the 2020 model, and the pink bars are verbs found in the 2010 model. The verbs identify/use, which are in blue, are the top 2 verbs in the 2020 competency model, while use, maintain, in pink, are the top verbs in the 2010 competency model. Note the pink bars further to the right. The 2020 competency model does not include those verbs. Likewise, the blue bars with no pink indicate verbs that were missing from the 2010 competency model. For verbs in all the syllabi, the table on the right shows the frequency and percentage of all occurrence in the 145 syllabi we analyzed. We also analyzed the verb occurrence in the competency models. Concentrate on the percentages in the table on the right. If you can see them, you can see them better in the paper. In the syllabi, in the 2 DOL competency models, identify and use were frequently used verbs, though the frequently used verb in syllabi is demonstrate. We concluded that these verbs were places to begin taking a closer look at the competency overlap, as the next figure suggests. In the 3-layer radar chart shown on the left, we compared verbs in the syllabi to the Department of Labor competency models according to Bloom's revised taxonomy. The blue layer denotes all combined syllabi, the orange layer, the 2010 competency model, and the green layer, the 2020 competency model. The syllabi were focused on lower level verbs, remembering, understanding, applying, that kind of thing, while the 2010 and 2020 DOL competency model shifted toward the higher level verbs, analyzing, evaluating, creating, verbs in those categories. This weight makes sense for a learning environment, but begs the question of where students are to get the experience to close that gap between understanding and creating. Then we visualize the differences between all college syllabi and the type of syllabi, whether it was core technical content, elective technical content, and the 2020 DOL competency model, as the stacked bar charts on the right show. Higher level verbs appeared more frequently in the technical elective syllabi than in the technical core syllabi. The balance between introductory material and coverage has to be tracked very carefully because if employers are expecting higher level competencies than programs can deliver in core curriculum courses, then adjustments need to be made. The bar chart highlights employers' needs for higher level competency than what is expressed in the syllabi, but also shows that elective technical curricula have slightly high percentage of verbs belonging to the creating category than the core technical syllabi. As the team completes year 4 of the project, the researchers are able to report success despite all of the challenges we've had in the last year. Team has held 4 annual meetings. All syllabi and job postings have been collected and analysis is complete. The literature review and initial body of knowledge creation are complete. The team has also held 3 very successful regional academies in which partner colleges engaged in the syllabi analysis simulation using the initial body of knowledge and provided valuable feedback for its continued refinement. This feedback not only improved the body of knowledge, but also has provided a roadmap for the module we will be creating for community use. The second regional academy focused on sharing the results of the syllabi analysis and initial employer interviews. Participants provided feedback on analysis results and learned strategies to engage employers in systematic, meaningful interviews. The third regional academy focused on reviewing partner colleges' personalized analysis reports and plans for operationalization. We're really glad that you took the time to watch this video and attend the poster session today. If you have any questions, be sure to visit our website to see our other publications, including things that were presented, other papers at ASEE in previous years, as well as at High Tech and at other conferences. So thanks very much. We're grateful to all of our partners and we'd love to hear from you.